Play ball!
More than one position to play well.
And the open court game is probably open wide now because you got better rebounds. Free throw shooting. How do you do the free throw shooting?
Was it bad last year?
It's okay, but the point is, you want to go to the line.
Oh, absolutely. I mean, that's something that a lot of times it's up to you as an individual to work on because we don't want to waste time, shooting during camp. So, and we actually staying in a place that has a court. So we always talk about like going in and shooting at night. Being committed. Be the best player that you can be, so you can help your team be the best team that we can be. And so it's up to like those little details is something that we have to take upon ourselves individually to get better at and do our best.
Any team in the league that you can't wait to play, just kind of like a gauge where you're at as a player and as a team?
Well, probably Seattle. I mean, those were the last team that we played last year, and that's the first team that we're going to play this year as far as preseason game, and they're the champions. So, I mean, I think they're a great measuring stick to everybody because they have been together for so long. They are the champions. So, but I think the team this year is going to be very, very competitive. I mean, you look at Minnesota, you look at New York. I mean, teams that maybe last year, like Minnesota, that they didn't even make the playoffs. And they got Maya Moore, they got Amber Harris. So, I mean, they're going to be stacked. All right.